I just got this in the mail. Let's unbox it. I'm currently traveling, but I gotta stay on the YouTube grind. I was literally gonna travel today. I'm waiting for my boarding, and this showed up in the mail last minute. So let's unbox it together and talk about the setup. Are you guys even interested in the Hume Band thing? I'm planning to try it while I'm traveling to see if it's worth the money or not. Oh, not bad. The packaging is good. Let's take it out. As you can see, that's the chip itself. Let's take a look at the band. This is the band right here. Yes, my guess is right. Oh, I think it's elastic, guys. Yeah, I got it right now. As you can see, yeah, it takes some time to get used to it, but it's not hard, but it's not easy. But as you can see, it's bulky. I don't know if you can see it gets so high off the wrist. So I'm traveling light. I'm gonna use the Apple Watch Ultra and the WHOOP and the Hume Band thing for this trip. So I'm gonna set it up right now and charge it and report back to you in 7 days to see if it's worth the hype or not. Comes in the box as well. We got the charger. I don't know if you can see it, but I think it's magnetic, but it clips in. And we got this as a USB-C thing. So nothing major. I'm gonna set it up right now and take it for a spin when I'm traveling. Let me know if you have any question about it. If you are even interested, do you want to see any videos about it or should I skip it? Let me know down in the comments. I gotta say the form factor is not the best. That's the first con I can see, but I gotta give it a fair chance. 7 days and we decide after that. Please like and subscribe and go watch this video. I'm gonna be unboxing the Garmin 970 and show you all about it. Go watch. I'll wait you there.
And she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cardi J's. And the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money she earning. Give me top every night lip service.